In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone passcode. Now, to do this, you need to head over to the Settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way down until you see Face ID and Passcode and click this. And in order to change your iPhone passcode, you first need to enter your current passcode. Once you've entered your passcode, scroll down until you see the Change Passcode link and click this. Then once again, enter your current iPhone password. And then you can go ahead and set yourself a new passcode for your iPhone. Once you've entered in the new passcode, you'll just need to enter it for a second time to confirm it. And just like that, you've now changed your iPhone passcode. You can see here that for the next 72 hours, you'll still be able to use your passcode as a way to reset your passcode if you forget it. You can choose to click on the Expire Previous Passcode Now button, and what that's going to do is completely get rid of your old passcode, so you'll only be able to access your device with the new passcode that we just set. So if you want to do that, choose to click on Expire Now. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.